I moved down from New Jersey and I was looking for a periodontist. And at the time I started coming here, there was another doctor here, Dr. Abrams, and he didn't stay long. So Dr. Van Scoyoc came, and I figured I'd stay and see how he is, and give it a chance. And I liked Dr. Van Scoyoc, so I've been here for 10 years now, and I'm happy with it. One of the things that I like about coming here is they do take your blood pressure when you come in, so if you have any problems, that can be caught. I did have a surgical procedure last year, of which I was very concerned with because I knew I had to have a bone graft too. And when I got in here, the way the staff was and the doctor was, it kind of calmed me down a little bit. As far as the procedure is concerned, it went well. I had to have follow-up, and that went well too. And now I'm back to normal again. So I would, as far as I'm concerned, I would recommend Dr. Van Scoyoc and his practice, because I like the people here, and they seem to be very knowledgeable, and they are concerned about your health and about you.